You might want to learn how to add photos on Facebook, but don't know how to do it. Well, in that case, I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So open up the Facebook and then get logged into your own account. Now tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. As you do this, you will get onto this space. As soon as you land on the space, tap on your name here. As you do this, scroll down and then you have an option here to either write what's on your mind, either choose a reel, either you can go live as well. And then just straight to what's on your mind on the right corner, you can see photos icon. Tap on it. Now choose the pictures that you want to keep from your own gallery. I'm going to choose few pictures. As you're done choosing the pictures, tap on this next option on the top right corner. So here are three of the pictures that I've chosen, and we have lots of things to do. You can either choose a layout on the bottom. You can see you can make it to columns, banner, frame, and then the frames are just flexible to choose and they are adjusted accordingly. So let me choose this frame. I'm comfortable with it and I want to share it. As soon as you choose this, you can tap on this cross icon just above the frames. And then on the bottom left corner, you can see the photos icon once again. When you tap on it, you'll get to choose and add more pictures here. But if you're okay with it, just go with it. And then tap on this tag icon just next to the photos icon. Here you can select one of the friend from your own friend list. So I'm going to select one of the friend that I want to tag. And as I'm done with it, just next to it is an emoji icon. So tap on it. You can choose your feelings. Either you're happy, blessed, loved, and so many feelings are just mentioned here. I am going to choose loved. You can choose of your own and even choose the activities accordingly from here on the side. So I'll be writing I'm celebrating. You can choose of your own. Let's say friendship. All right. And then you can choose the location just next to the emoji icon. Tap on this location icon here and then I'm going to select my location. All right. And I'm done. On the bottom right corner, tap on it and then you can choose and get the same option just as before. So on the top you can see something about this photos. That means you can write a caption on. As soon as you do this and you feel completely okay with posting it, tap on post on the top right corner. Alright, so you can see it's being posted. I need to wait a little more until it gets posted. So this is it. You have successfully added photos on your Facebook account. So tap on photos once again, just next to the post here. As you do this, you can see these are the photos. All right, and you can tag them, and then you can tap on albums here to check all of the pictures that you have uploaded before. All right, and if you want to choose friends, that is all your choice. All right, this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.